Hi everybody, welcome to this week's video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kelsey. Thank you for stopping by. This is going to be a very fall themed video. In this video we're going to be baking pumpkin cream cheese muffins, and me and my sister went to the October Cafe. So if you don't know what that is, it's in the city of Chicago, and they have fall themed drinks and baked goods year round. So if you ever craved a PSL in the middle of summer or in January, you can get one, which I think is a really cool concept. I'm definitely more of a seasonal gal, so me and my sister went, I think it was like September. This is kind of old footage, so I hope you guys enjoy. I never gave a review on the cupcakes. Or, well, they're not cupcakes, they're muffins, I'm sorry. Here's the inside. They're so good. I will say they taste a little bit like pumpkin bread, so if you don't want it to be so soft, which sounds like a stupid complaint, but if you don't want it to be so soft and a little bit more like a muffin texture, I would recommend putting a little bit less oil. Recipes linked down below if you were wondering. This is her in all her glory. That's really good.
Is it? Oh, it is really good. I honestly didn't think that this was my cup of tea. It's delicious.
Yeah. Pretty weird.
That's exciting.
This is VP chai.
You're so cute.
Tastes like, yeah, tastes like chai. And this is PSL, so this is the star really of the show. I still have a favorite.
True. I really like this because it's not sweet.
Yeah. I think it's almost a little bitter though.
It almost is.
I mean, if I drank it with like the whipped cream and everything, I'm sure that would be different.
Yeah.
This one's like the hot chocolate one. Obviously not hot, but
Yeah. I think you should maybe stir that.
Stir it, right?
Because it looks like the chocolate syrup.
What is it? Syrup.
Chocolate syrup?
And what else?
It was hazelnuts,
Hazelnut.
chocolate, and something else. Caramel.
It tastes exactly like all of those things. Which is not a bad thing. I think I would like this better if it was hot.
It tastes like all of those things.
All of those things. I could taste every ingredient.
I think I would like it better without caramel.
I like caramel. I do think it makes it a little more sweet, so maybe I would like it without.
Yeah.
If it was like a drizzle, that would be cute.
Yeah. Oddly, my favorite one was maple forest,
Oddly.
which I would have never ordered.
No, I wouldn't. I would have just like stuck with the pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah.
No, but this one's actually
And
so
if it
good.
was cold, I would try this one. Because we got to try things we wouldn't try.
I feel like we're flight people, you know? Because no matter what, we're gonna come back 1,000 times and try every single drink.
Yeah. Like if we can order them all.
Yeah.
Now we can.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was tempted to do a voiceover, but I honestly hate doing voiceovers. Maybe I need a microphone. Do I have money for that? No. So like this video so I can afford to buy a microphone. I will see you guys in the next one.